If you are spending so much money on electricity bills or generator, and you want to compare between solar and generator, which one is more cheaper, or which one cost you more? I will say solar installation might cost you more when you want to first on the first day, but cost you less in a long period of years. But generator might look cheaper and cost you much money on a long period of years. A 5 kV inverter might cost 5.5 million naira to install, but in a long years, it save you more money than a generator 5 kV that you buy 1 million naira and spend money much on fuel, and you keep on buying fuel every day. In solar installation, the only money you can be spending is only money for maintenance to keep it more working. Why generator, you keep spending money on maintenance and also buy fuel. So this is an analysis to show you how much solar might save you in 5 years and how much generator might save you in more years. If you buy a generator 1 million naira and you spend fuel 4,000 naira times 30 days, it's going to be 120,000 naira monthly. In a year, you are going to be spending about 1,440,000 naira in a year. For maintenance, you might be spending 50,000 naira in a year for maintenance of your generator and oil with other things. So in a year, you might be spending 1.4 million and 90,000 naira in a year. In 5 years, you'll be spending 8,450,000 naira. But if you already have a gen, you will be spending 7,450,000 naira. If you go for solar installation, it might cost you more money. You buy a solar installation for 5 million naira. Money you are going to spend in more maintenance might cost you 100,000 naira, which is for cleaning and battery maintenance. In 5 years, you spend 500,000 naira plus 5 million naira, 5.5 million naira. This is what most people need to know when giving calculation in whether choosing between solar or generator. This will save you a lot of money if you keep all this, because number one, solar does not mean it save you money forever or using a light forever. Solar have a down part. When there is sun, it works, and when there is no sun, it does not work. Battery might downgrade. And generator, you can take it anywhere you want. You can carry it, drop it. Solar installation stays in one place on the roof. In 5 years, you spend 5.5 million naira. Compare with this generator of 7.27 million 450,000 minus 5,500,000. It will save you 1,950,000 naira if you already have a gen, but you still want to buy a gen. It will save you 2,950,000 naira in a year. Solar installation is not just a super magical machine that produces you light anyhow. It have its time is spoil and also works. Understand this to make a better decision in solar, choosing between solar installation or generator.